Hello and Namaste. Today I shall be discussing about the Keisselbach plexus or little area of the nose. Little area of nose is an area which is present in the anteroinferior portion of the nasal septum. This is also called as Keisselbach plexus because there is a rich arterial plexus in this area. The vessels supplying this are septal branch of superior radial artery, which is the branch of external carotid system, facial artery. The greater palatal artery gives a septal branch to this area, which is also a branch of the external carotid system. Sphenopalatine artery also gives septal branch to this area from the external carotid system, and the anteroinferior artery also supplies this area from superiorly. This is the branch of the internal carotid system. Therefore, Little's area or Keisselbach's plexus contains both internal carotid system as well as external carotid system blood supply. The significance of this area is this is the commonest area for nasal bleeding. Nasal bleeding is more common during cold seasons due to dryness of the nasal mucosa. The most important cause of bleeding from this area is due to nasal picking. It is very near to the septum, so it can be easily picked by children or by adults. And this is the engorged area, so blood vessels can easily observe from here. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel Dr. Krishna for more videos like this. Thank you.